Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Allah's name is As-Salam. Its meaning and its explanation. The meaning is the All Peace. He is the King, the All Holy, the All Peaceable. 59 Surat 23 Ayat. True peace comes in this life to those who recognize and serve Allah. Say, praise belongs to Allah and peace be on His servants whom He has chosen. 27 Surat 59 Ayat. And in the next life, their greeting on the day when they shall meet Him will be peace. 33 Surat 44 Ayat. In times of fear, anxiety, and hardship, a believer finds peace with Allah. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the day break. I seek refuge with the Lord of the daybreak from the evil of what He has created. 113 Surat 1-2 Ayat. A believer, by following the will of Allah, lives in peace with himself, with other human beings, with the universe, and with his Lord. There has come to you from Allah a light and a book manifest, whereby Allah guides to the path of peace. Whoever follows his good pleasure and brings them forth from the darkness into light. 5th Surat 15-16 Ayat. Believers spread peace amongst themselves and in the world. Muhammad, peace be upon him, said by the one in whose hand in my soul. You do not enter paradise until you believe, and you do not believe until you love each other. Shall I tell you of something to do so that you may love each other? Spread peace amongst yourselves, Muslim. Allahumma, you are the all peaceable, and peace is from you. Blessed be you, O possessor of majesty and nobility, Muslim. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the daybreak from the evil of what He has created. 113 Surat 1-2 Ayat. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.